So we'll see this problem. It is written third angle projection method. You can see two views given adjacent to each other. So if this is front view, this will be right hand side view, and if we take this as front view, this will be left hand side view. So in both cases, this is to be drawn on left side and this is to be drawn on right side. So if we take this as front view, the length is 100, the height is 75, and the width is given in the side view 25 plus 38, that is 63. So at 30 degrees, you can see this is 100, this is 75, and this is 63. So complete this box. So this is the box. We can see 100 by 75 by 63. So this is 63. Let us start from in the side view. You can see there is a groove here which is at 19. So half of this is 38. So 38 you can mark somewhere else here. This is 38. So draw a line parallel to this at 38. This is 38. Okay. Then you can bring this downward. The height of the leg of this is 25. So this is 25. So now you can see there is a groove here on 25 from this side and 25 from this side, and the depth of this is 19. It is mentioned in the side view. So this is 19. Draw a line parallel to this from here. So you can draw a line parallel to this from here also. Felt. Draw a line parallel to this from here, and you can draw a line parallel to this from here. Then the height of this groove is 38. So this is 38, and you can join this. So you can see there are two legs here which are having 32 somewhere else here and 32 somewhere else here. So these are the legs mentioned here. Then this is 32. So this is, you can see, you can make it dark, this one. Then you can see there is a groove here. So 12 from both sides, 12 and 12. The height of this is given as 9. So this is 9. So this is what is, you can see. Now there is the groove inside here. From here draw a line parallel to this. From here draw a line parallel to this. And from here draw a line parallel to this. So you can get the lines. Like this. Then you can find these two legs. This is 12 as shown here. Then this is 9, and then this is like this. This is parallel. Okay. And from here there is a line parallel to this. So this is what is the problem. You can rub this. Then there is small line here which is parallel to this, like this. So this is what is the isometric of this problem, this one.